for you. Can you please send me a Gmail so that I can send the beat to you? Wish to hear from you soon. To hear from you soon. So let's.
Yeah, Charlie, yes, your boys kind of rhymes, RJM, baby. The name still remain the same, rhymes beat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I've made an afrobeat with a Niger vibe. Yeah, and I want to send to 5 top 8 list artists in Africa for them to jump on my beat as an upcoming beat maker. So, on no time to waste, I want to play the beat for you to hear. So after that, I'll send to the top 5 A-list artists. Then we'll wait for their reply. So no time to waste. Let's jump to the screen and let me show you how the beat sound. And after that, I'll break the beat down. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah. So no time to waste. Let's jump on the screen and let's know what's going on. Yeah. Welcome to my screen. Yeah, the name still remain the same. Yeah, so as I've already told you, I've made an afrobeat. Yeah, with typical Niger vibe, and I want to send to top 5 A-list artists in Africa for them to jump on my beat as an upcoming beat maker. So no time to waste. Let me play the beat for you to listen, and after that I'll break it down, and then we'll send to the top 5 A-list artists. Then we wait for their reply. So no time to waste. Let's start it. So this is how the beat sound. So Niger afrobeat vibe. So let me load the volume small. So this is how the beat sound.
I can't feel no better. I can't feel no better. Right beat.
So that's how the beat sounds. So we are on Air Studio. So let me break the beat down for us to know how I play the beat. But my machine is having some small faults, so please forgive me if it's scratched. Yeah. So starting the beat. Has some piano robbie. That's what I used to play the lead. So this is how it sounds. How it sounds. So that's how it sounds. So that's what I played on the beginning before the chorus starts. I need something to make it feel like an afrobeat, a Niger afrobeat. So I used that one. So after that, then I played my chorus. I played my chorus. I played the chorus. I played the chorus on F. So this is how the chorus sounds. So I want to cut it so that you can feel the vibe very well. So this is how the chorus sound. that's how the chorus sound. That's how the chorus sound. Because I have a lot of plugins on it, that's why it's scratching. Yeah. So that's how the chorus sound. So let's listen to only the chorus. So that's how the chorus sounds. So after playing the intro and the chorus, then I did my pick. I did my pick all in one. So this is how the pick sounds. Yeah, so after doing the first pick, then I did another pick with shakers. So this is how the two sounds. Yeah, so that's how I did the picks. Yeah, the picks. So after that, I added my kick. So the picks plus the kick, this is how it sounds. So after doing the picks and the kick, then I did the main lead. But in the beginning, I let only to play. So this is how the lead sound. Yeah. So after that, then I brought a marimba. So this is how the marimba 2 sound. This is the marimba. I brought a marimba in it. So this is how the marimba sound with the main lead. So that's how the marimba sound. So after the marimba, then I did the bass. So this is how the bass 2 sound. This is how the bass sound. This is how the, let me play only the bass. So after the bass, then I did some plugs to ginger the lead. So this is how the plug 2 sound with the bass. So after playing that, then I converted it. So this is how it all sounds. And not forgetting, I did a drum roll. So this is how the roll sound. Let's play it again. So that's how I played everything. So and the lead changed. Yeah, because I added like another source to the lead, to the piano lead. Yeah, the first one I played with purity. Yeah, so after that, then I added a rod to it. A rod is a stock plugin in FL Studio. So this is how they both sound. so that's how it sounds. So from the chorus to the verse, then I did the transition with a razor noise. So this is how it sounds. So yeah, I think that's all. That's all. So after that, then I mix and master it. Yeah. So right now I've done mixing and mastering it. So I want to send to the top 5 A-list artists in Africa to jump on my beat as an upcoming beat maker. So no time to waste. I'll go straight to my phone, then DM them that they should send me their Gmail for me to send the beat to them. Then wait maybe for days for them to reply me or not. But I'll wait for only one day. Then we'll continue. So thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe. But join me on my Instagram chat. Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, Kenny Rhymes. So I'll be DM them on Instagram, then I'll show you the screenshots. Then the following day, if they reply, then I'll show it to you. So this is how the beat was done. So let's listen to the beat once more. Let me lower the volume small because it's too. Yeah, so thanks for watching me. So let's jump to the Instagram chats and let's continue. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. The names will remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. I'm out.
Right now I'm on Instagram. Yeah, so my Instagram handle is Kenny Rhymes. Yeah, if you want to search me, it's Kenny Rhymes RGM. So right now, let me search for the artists I want them to join on my beat. So first of all, let me DM. Let me DM Ckay, African boyfriend. Let me DM. Hello, bro. How are you? I have your type beat. If you don't mind, I can send it to the Gmail. To the Gmail. Please send it to the Gmail. Yeah, so I'm done with Ckay. So we're waiting for his reply. So let me check up on Rema. Here's Rema. Let me check up on him. So let me chat him too. Hi, bro. I'm Ken Rhymes. A music producer from Ghana. I've made a beat for you. Can you please send me a Gmail on it? Can you send me a Gmail to send the beat on it? Yeah, so now it's Rema. So let's wait for his reply to. So on my next is Burna Boy. So the same thing is music producer from Ghana. I've made a beat for you. Can you please send me a Gmail so that I can send the beat to you? Wish to hear from you soon. So let's wait. I'm done with Burna Boy. So the next person I want to chat with is Joeboy. It's Joeboy. So hi. Hi, bro. How are you? My name is Rhymes. A young artist, a young producer, from Ghana. I've made a beat for you. Please can you send me your Gmail so that I can send it to you. Look at this. Look at this. So which from Houston? Which is Jeff from Houston? So the last person I want to DM is Can Promise. Can Promise. Oh, I've already DM him some time ago, but let me. So hi, bro. Then I'll pick this. Yeah, which is from Houston. So I'm done with the DMs. So let's wait for their reply. So maybe it will last for 1 day or 2 days. Then still now, but when it reached 2 days and they haven't sent me anything, I will let you know. So thank you all for joining my DM. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out.